Hello, today we're going to make a pillow bead project using 6-inch papers. And these pillow beads are really fun because it's really a unit origami, but they could be made into jewelry and decorations and garlands. And this one is made out of 2 sheets linked together and with a string going through. And I will be making another one that is a 3-piece. So that's the 2-piece, and here's the 3-piece. And these are all made the same way, folded exactly the same way. And what we will need is just several sheets of paper, and I'm going to fold it once, and then you can just pause the video and fold your units, and then we can put it together. So start with a paper that, pretty colored paper, and you start with the color side down. Fold it in half with the white sides together and give it a good crease. Open it up and fold the outer edges to that center crease on both sides. This is a cupboard fold. Unfold, and you'll see the 4 horizontal creases. Take your left corner, fold it up to the first crease, and take the other corner and fold it also to the first crease. So you want the folds on opposite sides. Now you're going to take this long edge, and that long edge needs to go right to the same crease, that first crease, and give that a nice crease, and do that on the other side. And what you'll do is you will fold, you won't really make new creases, you'll just on the existing crease fold it back on itself till still looks like that. And on the right edge, you want to fold that right edge, you want that to lay on top of the top edge. And when you find that top edge, you go ahead and crease it. And the same on the other side. Just take that edge, and you'll see that you'll just need to do this on the opposite side and have that edge or that top edge meet that center edge that you just made. Now you have 2 flaps that need to be tucked into the pockets, and their pockets are right there. Just take the first flap, tuck it in, turn the paper, and I usually like to roll that edge into that pocket. So I just roll it, slide it in, don't make a new crease, and there you have that. So you'll turn it over so that the solid side is facing up, and bring that bottom corner up to that top point where the angle starts. Once you find that corner, then just give it a good crease and do the same on the opposite side, and just drop it down and give it a good crease. And now you have your unit. And when you open up just open it up, and you'll see there are pockets on the inside part. And just pause this video and fold 2 to 3 more of these. Once you've folded all of your units, just stack them on top of each other so that they're all going in the same direction. And we're going to do a 2-piece. I'm going to show you how to assemble just the 2-piece flat, what I call the pillow bead. You put the solid sides together, and if you want to put padding in between, you can do that. And you'll notice there are pockets, and the sharp points are the tabs, and those little pockets are the pockets. So just take the sharp tab and just tuck it into the pocket on either side, and it really has no other place to go. So just slide it on in, and just keep those creases nice and sharp. And if you want to put string, this would be the time to put the string in now. So I'm just going to go ahead and string it now to make the garland, continue my garland. Got that string in between, and now I'm just going to put the pocket, slide that point right into the pocket, and slide it nice and snug. I'm turning it over, and I'm going to put the remaining tabs into those remaining pockets. And you really can't go anywhere else. It just has to go that way. And now slide it together nice and snug, and it holds together really well. Nice and snug, and you can space out your string and your pieces any distance that you want. So that's how you make that. The garland, you can make it really long, put it on a tree. It's really fun. So what you could do now for the 3-piece is this is a little bit different assembly. You basically need to, there's a fold that you need to make, and it's a mountain fold, and I'm stacking them all together, and I'm going to make that mountain fold right across there just to help so that when I assemble it, it'll be easier. And I'm going to take this pink piece, after all those folds are nice, this is my, I call that the pivoting piece. This is the part we're going to assemble. Now take them and make sure they're all stacked nice in the same direction. And you'll see the pockets are in the center of that square. And just going to take the next piece. And what I plan to do is rotate it and take that pocket and open it up and stick that little point in. And I'm going to take the other piece and I'm going to do the same thing. You can see it just lines up. There's only one way it can go, and just slide it in. And then what you want to do is hold it all together. Don't let it fall apart. You just kind of turn it over gently. And you'll want to collapse everything, and you'll see I just need all these little valley folds to meet each other, the points to meet each other. And I want the tabs to be sticking out. So I'm just going to very gently collapse everything and just letting those valleys touch each other, and then let those tabs just fall over where they need to go, and there's really only one way. And once you find that, you'll see that where it lines up, and you just take those points and you find out where those pockets need to be, and you'll see there's only one way they can go in. And you just find the first one you want to do and slide that in, and then it pretty much locks everything in from there on. And then you just kind of go around, rotate the model, and just insert those points into the pockets at every place that you see that it needs it. And then your unit or your model is finished, and you can insert your string or your beads or make it a surprise box. There's the last one. And really that's as simple as that. It just takes a little, sort of a mind bender, but you can get it. You can do it. And there it is. And it has several places that you could put string, or you can put a pin through, or put it on a skewer. There's all kinds of options to make jewelry or home decor or anything out of these. And you can just basically you don't need to put a needle through. You can just open the pockets up, or take the points out, and then just insert the beads or the string, and you can have so many things. You can make so many things that are really fun with these. I'm going to show you how I do this. I found the top where I want the string to go in, and this is probably not the most graceful way to do it, but it's the way I figured it out. So I'm just going to take the little point out of there, if I can get it out, and I want to put my string in. Now the string doesn't have any weight to it, so it needs to find a place to drop down. And I might have to, if it doesn't come through the other end, then I just have to take another point out to get that string revealed. But I want it out of that bottom part. So I just may have to take it apart, but it doesn't hurt it to do that. And I'm seeing I can't see the string, so I'm just going to take another point out, and I'm almost taking it apart. But as long as I don't lose sight of where those go, it's fine. So I see there's inside, I see that I'm looking for that string. I just took it apart. There it is. Now I got it back. That happens. So there's the string. I see it. Now I'm just going to pull it through and let it come through, and then I'm putting it back together. And that's how you do it. So you can string as many as you want in different sizes. And I really think these make a really fun mobile. I think they'd be really beautiful hanging on a tree, or I think it would be gorgeous as a baby mobile. It's made out of paper. It's made out of simple materials. It's very, very pretty and rotates. And it's just really beautiful. Well, so there you have it. It's the pillow bead tutorial. You can make them flat or three-dimensional, and they're beautiful and fun, and I hope you go out and make lots of them and enjoy the rest of your day.